We all have the fun and excitement of hitting the trails with a bunch of mates, but hate the feeling when you swipe a tree and break an indicator. You know you'll be up for big bucks. Plenty of guys remove the indicators from their bikes, but it's pretty dangerous on the road, not to mention illegal. That's where the click and ride comes in. G'day guys, Matt Bernard here from Dirt Action. We're checking out the new click and ride quick release indicator system. Click and rides have been around for quite a few years. However, this is the second generation design. The first thing you'll notice is the fresh new styling coupled with the innovative click release system these guys have invented. I love how there's no moving parts to wear out or fail. The simple dust plug has been replaced with a new moisture guard that seals out water and mud, and when the light is inserted, creates a seal between the two parts. The plug fits into the back of the light to further protect the light from coming out, even under the most intense vibrations. The unique 3D lens is now ultrasonically welded to the body to create a completely water and dust-proof seal. Overall, the quality of this new design is a massive step up from the original, and despite all the improvements, quality materials and construction, the price has actually come down. The click and ride system is a great idea, and it's now even better. Do yourself a favour and check them out at your nearest stockist.